So here I have the code ready. I want to explain it to you line by line. First of all, we make a variable called item, which we will use in the while loop, and then we'll make a list of all the alphabets from A to Z. As you can see, I made it here from A all the way to Z. Then we'll make two lists, one for vowels and one for consonants. They will be empty at the start, but as our AI learns, it will add values to it. Then we'll start a loop while item is less than or equal to 26. That's how many letters are there, so we don't want to run the loop more than that. Then we will print the items in the alphabet. Okay, which item? The item which the index of the item will be in the variable. In this case, first it will be 0, then we will add 1 every time the loop ends. Okay, first it will be 0, so it will print A. Then it will ask us whether or not it is a vowel or a consonant by this line. If it is a vowel, then it will add that letter to the vowels list and then print vowels. I should print consonants too, like that, and we'll do the same with here. Okay, now then it will print both vowels and consonants to let us know how much it has learned. And if you say it is a consonant, then it will insert that letter into a consonant, into our consonant list, and it will print both vowels and consonants, and then it will add 1 to item until it is 26. Okay, so far so good. I hope you understand it all. This is how an AI works at the very basic level. It learns from the data you give it. So it's printing A at first. It will go like in order, first A, B, C, like that it will ask. Now we have to say whether it is a vowel or consonant. We know that A is a vowel, so I will type in B and press enter. As you can see, this is the vowels list. The first one is the vowels list, so it has inserted A in it. Now it is asking us about B. Now B is a consonant, we all know it, so I'll press C and press enter. Now it has added B to the consonants list, and A is already there in the vowels list from before. Then we have to say what is C. C is a consonant too, so we'll type C, and as you can see, it has added C to the consonants list. And D is a consonant, E is a vowel, F is a consonant, G is a consonant, and so on. It keeps adding it based on whether it is a vowel or a consonant. At last, after you have trained it, it will know about every single alphabet, whether it is a vowel or a consonant. So guys, I hope this was enough for you to know how an AI works at the basic level. I have worked super hard to make this course so small. It's not only, it's less than 20 lines of code, and I really wanted to avoid any modules. Like, there are many modules that are used to make AI, but I wanted it to be simple for you. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.